Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions, statimusa.com, 704-966-1650. We oftentimes send boxes empty to customers to return their machine back to us. When you receive the box, there will be a prepaid label inside. Make sure you find that and take it out. And also, here's the top, here's the bubble wrap. The best way to do it is to take two pieces out, then take your machine. Two people, weighs 100 pounds, so you're going to need some help. But if you could bring the video closer, I'll show you that you're going to have some room in the front and the back. We want room in the front and the back, a little bit here, a little bit there. Then we take our bubble, we take the foam, lay it across the side. You take your bubble wrap, and you're going to push it down in the front for the plastic door. Keep in mind that if it does not make it here safe, then there might be extra charges incurred. Bubble wrap it up nice in the front and the back. So, put your top on. Tape it nicely. If you have any other questions, give us a call, 704-966-1650, or there'll be more videos on www.statimusa.com.